Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen sauce at home. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of good quality soy sauce, 1/4 cup of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of sake. For that essential umami, prepare 1 cup of dashi. These foundational elements will create a rich and authentic base for your homemade ramen. Now, let's combine these wonderful flavors. Pour your soy sauce, mirin, sake, and dashi into a small saucepan. Heat the mixture gently over low to medium heat, stirring occasionally. The goal is to warm the ingredients and allow them to meld together, not to boil them vigorously. This gentle heating process helps to evaporate some of the alcohol from the sake and deepen the flavors. To elevate your ramen sauce, consider adding some flavor boosters. A small piece of fresh ginger, thinly sliced, and 1 clove of minced garlic can add aromatic depth. For a nutty finish, stir in about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil after heating. You might also add a pinch of white pepper or a tiny amount of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Experiment to find your ideal taste profile. Once your sauce is complete and cooled, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store this delicious homemade ramen sauce in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, making meal prep a breeze. When serving, typically use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sauce per bowl of ramen, adjusting to your personal taste. Simply add it to your hot broth and enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.